I'm Caitlin Lavender, and I'm here to present our Outdoor Track and Field Awards. The following athletes earned varsity letters in spring track and field: Katie McLaughlin, Abigail Latch, Danny Tenza, Sean Donahue, Jimmy Napo, Christopher Kretzmer, Jared Hewitt, and Jake Dempsey. Our most valuable player for the field on the girls' side is Katie McLaughlin. We've already spoken about Katie in indoor track, but I'd like to highlight her for outdoor track as well. Katie placed runner-up for our sectional championship last year in the javelin, and I'm really disappointed that we won't have a chance to see her shine in outdoor track this year, because I do believe that she was going to have a wonderful season in the javelin. She came back strong, and Rutgers is getting a fantastic soccer player in Katie McLaughlin next year. Congratulations to Katie. Katie McLaughlin is our field MVP. Our most valuable player on the track side is Abigail Latch. Abigail is the most selfless athlete that any of us have ever coached. Abigail broke 5 school records during the indoor track season, and again in her last meet, she placed 10th in the entire state in the 800 meter. We know that she would have had an amazing outdoor track season, and we were looking forward to seeing her run at the Penn Relays. Fordham University is getting an outstanding athlete in Abigail Latch. Congratulations to our track most valuable player, Abigail Latch. Our most valuable field athlete is Danny Tenza for spring. Danny Tenza is our most valuable player for spring because of his work ethic, his ability to score points, and for his leadership. We already spoke about Danny Tenza during our indoor track awards, but we'd like to acknowledge Danny's hard work, dedication, and just wish him the best of luck in the future. Danny Tenza is our most valuable player for the field. Our most valuable player for track is Sean Donahue. Sean Donahue, again, our leading point scorer, but also our leader on the track side. Sean is a wonderful athlete, and I know that he would have qualified for not only the state group championships, but most likely the meet of champions in outdoor track. We were again looking to have Sean Donahue competing at the Penn Relays this year, and we will sorely miss Sean when he continues on to Notre Dame in the fall. Congratulations to our most valuable track athlete, Sean Donahue. Our most improved player is Jimmy Napo. Like we said in the winter, Jimmy Napo had a huge improvement between outdoor track last year and outdoor track this year. He came out strong. We were really hoping that he was going to have a chance to shine in the outdoor track season this year. A wonderful person to coach, a wonderful teammate. We really will miss Jimmy Napo as he moves forward next year. Congratulations to Jimmy Napo, our most improved runner. Our sportsmanship award for outdoor track goes to Christopher Kretzmer. Christopher always did what he was asked. He was a great teammate. He was always there when a teammate needed him. He was always there to jump in and do anything that his coaches asked him to do. From pole vaulting, to hurdling, to sprinting, Christopher Kretzmer did it all. We wish that we had Christopher on the team with us all 4 years. Congratulations to our Sportsmanship Award winner, Christopher Kretzmer. Our Coaches Award goes to Jared Hewitt. Jared, a hard worker and the heart of our team. Jared's just a pleasure to coach, a wonderful teammate. Jared leaves us as an indoor track state championship on the distance medley relay. Jared, we expected to see a lot out of in outdoor track, and we were really looking forward to watching him shine for the final time as a St. Rose athlete. We will really miss Jared next year as he continues on to the University of Rhode Island. Congratulations to Jared Hewitt. Our coach's award for the field goes to Jake Dempsey. We only had Jake on the team for 2 years, but he was a wonderful athlete to coach, and such a talented athlete that he was able to score in multiple places on our team. Jake did things that he didn't want to do for the betterment of the team, including pole vault. He was somebody who was an amazing teammate, easy to coach, always happy to do what he could do. His teammates really appreciated him being there all the time. He was a hard worker in practice, a highly competitive person. We'll really miss Jake Dempsey as he moves on next year. Congratulations to Jake Dempsey, our coach's award for field. We have one special award for track and field for outdoor track. It's the James F. McInerney Award. The award is presented to a female track athlete who, by her example, displays a true Christian spirit for the betterment of her team. The James F. McInerney Award goes to Abigail Latch.